Welcome to Physics Online with Mr. Luganbiel. Tonight we're going to be going over Unit 2, Lesson 3. And hang on, your assignment after this is worksheet number 2. So hang on, this is going to be a good lesson. Notice that guy there, he's excited. That llama is excited. All right, so here's our first situation here. What we're going to be working on this lesson is the objective where we can convert position versus time graphs to velocity versus time graphs and vice versa. So I'm going to teach you how to do position versus time graphs first. Okay, so you see the next slide here, we're going to go to the velocity versus time graph. Okay, so if we want to know how to convert them, we first of all got to find the velocity that this thing is undergoing. It's probably a llama of some sort. So to calculate the velocity, we find the slope of our position versus time graph. So it goes up 3 and over 4. So that's 3 meters in 4 seconds. So this thing is going with a velocity of 0.75 meters per second for the duration of the 4 seconds. We know that it's the same because the slope never changes here. Okay, so come down here, and so we're going to find is 0.75, which is about here, and we're going to draw that for the first seconds, a straight line over like this. See how easy that is? Let's go ahead and try the next one. Situation number 2. Now again, it doesn't matter where you start, you're just looking at the slope. Even though it starts at -3, we're just doing the slope. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 meters divided by 5 seconds. So that's 0.8 meters per second. So that's for the full 5 seconds. So we're going to go down here, find 0.8, which is about right here. And for the 5 seconds, we're going 0.8 meters per second. All right. Let's try the situation number 3. More of the same. Now this one just has a negative slope, which means negative velocity. You're going in the negative direction. So again, this time it's going down 3, which is -3 meters in 5 seconds. So that's 0.6 meters per second here, -0.6. So we come over here, our velocity versus time graph, and here's about 0.6. So it's going -0.6 for the duration of that time period. And that's as simple as it is. That's what our first worksheet is going to be. Now here's a little bit more complicated one where we're doing multiple things. Again, you just got to calculate the slope of each individual part. So, for example, we got this one right here. Now it goes down, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't mean actually down. It just means he's going in the negative direction. So he's going in the negative direction, -3 meters in 2 seconds. So that's -1.5 meters per second. Here, we have a slope of 0, so that's 0 meters per second. And here we go up 1 meter in 2 seconds, which gives us 0.5 meters per second. So first 2 seconds is -1.5. The next second is 0. The last 2 seconds is 0.5 meters per second. So our graph is going to be a little bit more interesting this time. All right, so it's going to be -1.5. Then it goes to 0. And then it goes to 0.5 for the duration of these things. And you can, if you want to, you can connect these lines like that if you want, or you can just leave them like it is. All right, so our assignment is Unit 2, worksheet number 2, and hopefully you finish that up in class. Have a great afternoon and have a great weekend.